Let us start by drawing the shaft of this fork, which is going to come down about like that. So it's just two parallel lines coming down maybe a bit further. And then this is the tricky bit up at the top to create the handle. So we want to we split the piece of wood and we're kind of curving it out. And that's going to come out. So we want these to be fairly equal, like that. Join them at the top, and then that will come around like that, and that's going to come down there, and those two will join up about like that, and then we put the handly bit in between them, and that's how you make a handle for a fork. And then down here we're going to want this to, let's get that nice and vertical. Let's get that coming out there and out there and coming down probably, oh, let me fit that in like that. So we bring those up to there. These are called the tines, and then we want them to be nicely evenly spaced, which is quite a hard thing to do. You could pencil it out beforehand and erase all the pencils if you want to make sure it's absolutely accurate. Now this is all metal, and so that's the metal bit there, which is then riveted onto the wooden shaft at the top. And then you probably want a maker's name on there as well. And then all you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye.